I think it's a wrong law, and we don't accept this. We condemn it, and we protested today, and we are going to keep going protest against this new law, because this doesn't work, and we want the Danish Parliament to think again about this new law, because this is dehumanizing us.
فکرم اینه که بازن دولت دانمارک منصفانه رفتار کنه و ماجرا که بیچاره بهشان پناه میاره باش سخت نگیره، باش بدرفتاری نکنه. این خیلی ظلم بزرگ است که به پناهنده میشه.
I think there's a general sense of hopelessness because many refugees, they flee to Denmark and the West because they believe in human rights and democracy, and they believe that they will find it here. It's kind of what the West is always telling, that we're like, the West is a beacon of democracy and human rights and respect for the singular individual. And now with these laws, it's obvious that our politicians do not respect this for people who do not have Danish passports.
Oh. Yeah.
فقط مهاجر بیچاره که بهشان پناه میاره هدف قبول